Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to make a ticket system. It's not how to, it's like a fast way to make a ticket system. So make a ticket system like a pro, or yeah. So first of all, you go to your Discord, and you make sure, first of all, you make sure you have two stuff. You have a channel and you have a category. To make a channel, you come over here and you name your channel. To make a category, you come to the arrow and create the category. You name it tickets. Okay, so that's my category. And after that, you click on your name, Discord server name, and you click on this button, and you search ticket, and you'll find this bot. This bot is called Ticket Tool. It's one of the most used bots ever. And after you do that, you click on add app and add it to your Discord server. Authorize. Okay. As you hear the message, I think, from the system, the Discord bot has been added, and yeah, it's just lagging for me, Discord. But after you exit, you'll find it over here, like on this menu. So after you got the bot, you go to the message and you do /setup, and you find this and click on it. Press enter. Okay, so over here is gonna ask you to create a panel. A panel is where it's gonna be a button. I'm gonna give an example. So like this, in my Discord server, you can find this like for support and assistant. That's a ticket. So you're gonna have to make this in here. So you click create a panel. Before first of all, you gotta wait for the ticket to like set up and get the stuff ready. So like I'm gonna wait like 20 minutes and come back. Hi guys, welcome back. So after like a long time, I don't even know, yeah, probably the bot will start working. So click /setup, enter. Okay, it works now, luckily. It's because the bot have to take a long time to like I'll say like set up as a bot to work in the server. So yeah, after that, after like you click setup, you click create a panel. So after you create a panel, you set a name. So I'm just gonna leave it on sport tickets. So click submit and save and continue. Okay, so over here it's gonna choose which role you want to be as the support team. So like if you have a ticket, who do you want to like help the people? Like if you're admin in here, do you want an admin to talk to a person that needs help in the server or something like that? So I'm just gonna make it role 2. Yeah, make a role 2, and after you click save and continue, select the category. So that's why I asked it to make a category in the start. So like ticket, that's the category that I have. So I'm just gonna come here, select category and select ticket, and just gonna say okay. After click save and continue, the channel. So where do you want to post this transcript? in which channel. So for me, I'm gonna choose it ticket, as this is the channel that I want to be for ticket, like for the button to appear on. Click save and continue. Send the channel. Okay, so over here, make sure that which channel like you're gonna post in. So after you click finish, it's gonna post. So click finish. Okay. So so after you got your thingy, your this message, so you come at edit and manage panel. Probably made a mistake at the start, and select which panel you want. So this one, the one that I just made, and over here select the action, send panel to a channel. So choose the channel that you want the ticket to be on, and here you go. The ticket tool said like support ticket, so if you click on this button, create a ticket, it will make a channel in this category. So this channel, only support team and admin or anyone that you put on support team can view this channel, and you can close it. If you close it, you come over here. So after you close it, so you can select to delete the channel or open it again, or transcript, like save the transcript, save like whatever was the messages. So I'm just gonna click delete, and we'll delete in a few seconds, and it's deleted. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.